Hi everyone, and welcome to my video about Bookly Pro, the best booking plugin for WordPress websites. Are you tired of time-consuming phone calls and face-to-face meetings for appointments? Bookly Pro can help. With Bookly Pro, your clients can easily make bookings for your services right on your website, 247. What is Bookly Pro? Bookly Pro is an add-on that requires the Bookly plugin for WordPress websites. With Bookly, your clients can make bookings for services right on your site. No need for time-consuming phone calls or face-to-face meetings. Why choose Bookly Pro? Here are just a few reasons why Bookly Pro is the best booking plugin for WordPress. Fully customizable booking form. You can customize the booking form to fit your style and business needs. You can change the layout, show or hide specific fields, add new fields, and more. Unlimited services and staff members. Add as many services and staff members as you need. You can also link staff members with the services they provide and their personal Google calendars. Online payments. Bookly Pro integrates with a variety of popular online payment gateways, so your clients can pay for their appointments securely online. Google Calendar Sync. Bookly Pro syncs with Google Calendar, so you can keep track of your appointments and staff schedules in one place. Mobile-friendly. The booking form is mobile-friendly, so your clients can book appointments from their smartphones or tablets. Email and SMS notifications. Send email and SMS notifications to your clients and staff about appointments. And much more. How does Bookly Pro work? Here's a quick overview of how Bookly Pro works. Clients visit your website and select the service they want to book. They choose a date and time that works for them. They fill out the booking form and submit their payment. You receive a notification about the booking. You can confirm or reject the booking. The client receives a confirmation email or SMS notification. Who is Bookly Pro for? Bookly Pro is perfect for businesses of all sizes, from solopreneurs to large enterprises. Whether you're a salon, spa, dentist, doctor, or any other type of business that offers appointments, Bookly Pro can help you streamline your booking process and save you time and money. How to get Bookly Pro? Ready to try Bookly Pro? Visit our website today to learn more and get started. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has given you a good overview of Bookly Pro. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.